January 4th, 2025. We are in the camper. We are currently moving forward. Cory has gotten most of the back sealed with paint so that he can apply Luan. He's got Luan cut here so that he can get that applied. What else? What else? What else?
To just cleaning surfaces, getting them flat enough. And
rebuilding.
Yeah, just slowly moving through it.
Pretty exciting though, I think, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm pretty proud of you.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's moving along. I can't wait to see how it's gonna turn out. January 16th, we're 4 months in. Last few days we haven't made much progress, but oh, looks like Cory's making some today. It's kind of cold out, so we're keeping the trailer enclosed. Okay, just a second. I'm coming. This side?
No. Oh yeah, now hold that side. Relax.
Okay.
Just keep it from falling down.
Okay. So I kind of walked in on Cory doing this and got my video taken away from me for a while because I couldn't help with one hand. It wasn't working well. He's working forward on getting a roof in there. A lot of that's going to be behind the cabinet. I have been working on this area back here. I've got the 2 under layers and then I'll put the next layer on. I also have started to work on the color for the window frames, and that's out in the spray booth outside. That's kind of where we are today. We keep saying at each turn, well, once we get past this, it's really going to speed up.
Yeah.
But 4 months we've been doing this.
And then we'll have a hurricane, we'll have a few rain days, we'll have some cold weather days. Material doesn't set up in the cold, so yeah.
And then we get a request for work outside of the trailer.
For a project that actually pays some money.
So yeah, I don't know. Here we go. Always an adventure.
Always an adventure.